Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Uh, I am back again with the second series of Gemini model. Now with the latest Gemini AI model 2.0, and I have created one application with model 2.0 by using VS Code, Python, and hosted on a Streamlit environment. So let's jump to the application part. And the application is Easy Doctor Prescription. The theme or summary of prescription is to read or understand more about your doctor prescription. Right. So this is again is a challenging in some country like especially in country in South Asia like India, Nepal, Pakistan, China, where it's really hard sometimes to release the doctor prescription. So let's see the functionality of this app, Easy Doctor Prescription. So what I have to do, you have upload your prescription, or you can even take your old prescription also. So I'll try to take a search for the Google on the Indian doctor prescription, and couple of interesting prescription I have found. One interesting prescription is this one, almost 25-year old. So let me open this one, and this is the prescription. And let's see this prescription how is behaving. So let me save this one. Well, so it's a download and medicine in India. Okay. So I have downloaded this prescription and now go back to the my application. Oh, sorry, this one. So, let me refresh it and come to this one. So by default, model selection is a 2.0. What you have to do, quickly upload your prescription here. So see, you can see the same prescription here, and then what you have to do, click more about my prescription. And here in the top, you can see running probably it will take 5 second, 5 to 10 second max. So you can now see more about my prescription. Here is the detail about your prescription, uploaded prescription. So output is divided into 5 different table. So table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5. I'll come quickly give you overview of the table 1. So table 1 is more about patient information based on your prescription. So you can see the patient name is Nathalio Pinu, is location, disease, date. So it's whatever written in the prescription that will come in the more about your information in the table 1, but it's more about the PII data. Don't worry, in this application is not storing PII your information locally or in Google environment. Now table 2 is medicine detail, what medicine recommended by your prescription, by your doctor or physician. So okay, so you can see the powder preparation for cough and cold, and then SC tab 8182. So you can see here powder prescription, and then SC tab 182. And future treatment, third table contain the future treatment. So due to limited information, definitely this prescription has not much information, so might be model has challenge to provide your future treatment. So it is impossible to suggest a specific feature treatment, consult with healthcare professional, right? And now table 4 pre-counts is based on the disease, as you have and based in this disease is chronic cough and sinusitis. So what the pre-counts are there, it's written here: avoid irritant like smoke, dust, allergy, etc. And for sinusitis, nasal saline, rinse. And good thing is the table 5, it's about your 7 day diet plan, what you have to follow for next 7 day for in breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's all given here. And general dietary recommendation for cough and sinusitis is also given here. One thing is you can see the disclaimer in this generated outcome. So disclaimer, we are not mainly due to purpose, we are not challenging the doctor. This application help you to understand better way about your prescription. So I'll recommend do not bypass your doctor. So this output in by using the model 2.0. Now let's go to the local environment. and you can see the local host 8501. Quickly refresh this page, and by default model selection is a 2.0, so let's select the 2.5. Top K, go to the maximum side. Let's browse the same file here, medicine in India, this, and more about my prescription. So table 1, PII data, patient information will remain same. Table 2, it's all about the C. It's only in table 2, although some powder is also recommended, but 1.5 has a limitation. So it's only medicine to SC tab 192. Dosage description, dosage, associated details. Table 3, future treatment not specified, precautions not specified, diet plan not specified, right? So see, definitely there is a limitation with respect to model 1.5 in comparison to model 2.0. So model 2.0 have a better output or result. That's the good thing. Let me quickly upload another prescription also. I have one more prescription downloaded earlier. So you can see again, this is a prescription related to a COVID patient. So if I click on the more about my prescription, we'll see the content in the next 5 seconds. So let's wait for 5 seconds. Yeah. So your patient information, medicine detail, you can see the detail about the medicine name, description, dosage timing, possible associate disease and condition, blah blah. Then treatment here. See, treatment based on the prescription, future treatment is given a strict home quarantine for 14 days that we observed during the COVID-19. Now, possible precautions. So these are the precautions: strict adherence to quarantine guideline, general weakness, get adequate rest, blah blah. And table 5, 7 days your recommendation diet plan for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then important consideration: hydration, easy digestion, immune support, personalization. Somewhere again you can see the disclaimer part. Now moving to your application structure, again it's VS Code, Python, then Gemini model. So this have the requirement, have the what all library you need to import. So Google Cloud API platform, Python .NET environment, Streamlit, Google Generative AI, PyTest, React. Then main logic is again written on the app.py. So app.py has more about implementation in the section 1, importing various library. Here we are calling to model Gemini 2.0 and Gemini 5. You can see if Gemini 2.0 calling Gemini 2.0 on Flash model. If for Gemini 1.5 calling Gemini 1.5 Flash 8B. Then main thing is for every Gen AI related project, prompts is very crucial and important. So you can see the input prompt. So here we are directing a model how to behave once the model execution start, initiate or completed. So prompt instruction is very important in every Gen AI, even AI-based model. So I clearly state this image contain a doctor prescription with patient name along with the some note at the end. Must add the disclaimer and display result in a tabular format. And then we have a submit button. One submit button. What you have to do, and I'm working on whatever the output generated. You can, if you click on the email, it's directly delivered on your email ID. So that's again working on, right? Thank you. Thanks to you all. Again, meet you in next video.